Sure what that is. Let's see if we can get it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm your host, David Seymour, and this is Lifers. Today we're here in Washington County, Maryland, and behind me we have a lot of rock outcroppings. And it's early spring, and I'm hoping that a timber rattlesnake might come up and start sunning themselves. So, I mean, it's still kind of cold, so I can't promise anything, but that's what I'm hoping for. And it might just get warm enough on those rocks to see a copperhead or a timber rattlesnake. So that's my goal for today. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm fairly certain this is another species of fern. Let's see. While I'm looking for these rattlesnakes, I can add some other species. All right, guys, here's my tip of the day, and it's pretty simple. Make sure you have the right boots for the terrain that you're on. That's it. All right, guys, I found another plant popping up. I think it's some kind of plantain or something. I can't remember what this is. I found it a long time ago. I can't remember, but we will find out. White-breasted Nuthatch. White-breasted Nuthatch. All right, guys, here's my philosophy of the day. Keep an open mind. I know a lot of you probably don't like insects. A lot of you probably think plants are boring. And most people on YouTube just want to see teeth and fangs, and I'll admit that that stuff's pretty cool. But give something else a try. Keep an open mind to plants and insects and anything else that you might not particularly like right now. Because I can guarantee you, if you give those other species a chance, I think you'll like them. So, just when I found that white-breasted nuthatch, I found this Wintergreen. I believe that's what it's called. And I know there's two subspecies, one in the United States and one further into Mexico. There you go, Wintergreen. Not sure what that is. Let's see if we can get it. It's a yellow-bellied sapsucker. If I can get it. Yellow-bellied sapsucker. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, that's it for episode 7. Once spring rolls around, we'll start finding a lot more things. Spring is coming.